Hey, I discovered a few things recently on SharePoint agents. If you're a site owner, SharePoint site owner, you can manage a little bit those agents, and let me show you how. So you know that Copilot agents are showing here, and you know that you have a bunch of agents that are showing here. But have you seen that there's a proof section and a recommended for you section with all the agents that were provided? What you can do by when you select an agent, you can do several things. So let's take this agent, for example, and you want to make it as approved. So you go in the three little dots here and you can say that you approve it. And when you do that, in fact, you know that when you create an agent, the file is stored where you have created this agent. And now, if you approve an agent, it goes to the site asset site. So if you look at the site asset site, I see two agents that have been approved. You see, that's the list of Copilot agents that have been approved. So that's a trick to be able to manage your agent and make them approved. And so now I shall see it. So maybe I need to refresh. Or sometimes it takes a little bit of time. I don't know if it's a lag thing or just need a refresh. So let's see. If it doesn't come now, I'll check later. But you should. Oops. Yeah, something is is wrong. So let me close this. Let me close this. And let me refresh. Turn off this. Refresh this. And go back to Copilot. The next thing is you can put an agent as a default agent for all your site. Here you can see I put as a default agent use case per persona. It's name. The default agent is the name of your site. Here I change it. Um, if you know, for whatever reason, if you want to put another agent to be default, you can do that. It's same thing. You need to go there, and so let me check and find another one to show you the process. Actually, I'm going to reverse back so now we can see the agent here that is approved. So now I see I can do that, and I can go in three dots, and here you see set as site default. So when I do that, that means when I'm gonna open the site again, and maybe there's gonna be a lag too here. You remember the default was oh, it's already done here. So I can see the check mark means this is a default one. So it has been modified live. So that is a way you can improve SharePoint agent. I think I didn't try it, but I think only people will only no, they will see recommended for you too. I think that there's more coming to it in the future. Let me show you also some resource that can be helpful to see Copilot agents or Copilot in SharePoint. So you know there's a rich editor text bar where you can rewrite your content. There's a section about SharePoint agents that explain how to create, edit, and this is a section where I found manage agents. That's where I found all this material. So you have some support resources, and you have also good FAQ that can help you to understand maybe some limitations or how it works for agents, but also for the rich text editor and for both, like what kind of language are supported. So you can look into that. That's very instructive. Uh, where can I create a SharePoint agent? Um, can I create SharePoint agent in classic sites? What is the answer? The user experience for creating has to be in modern site. So if you didn't migrate your classic site into modern sites, it's highly recommended to do that. And you have a lot of questions. If you don't have a license, That's a controversial one. Uh, people don't have a Microsoft 365 Copilot license. Can they still use agents? So currently, only Copilot license holders can use SharePoint agents starting in January. So if you are assigned with a Microsoft 365 license or your organization has a pay-as-you-go billing setup, you can use SharePoint agents. And I think there's a promotion that gonna give 10,000 queries per month for your organization until June. And so it's going to be accessible for users, not to create, but to consume, to everybody. And there's also going to be a way to control better agents if you want to show them to let them show in your UI or not, and manage better who can create agents, etc. I think there's more coming in the beginning of next year. Hope this was insightful.